So hey guys, I thought I would get up and do a vlog, and I just got up, but I put on some clothes, and then I'm gonna wear today, and that's my mom. I was brushing, and I was about to brush my teeth, and so we're gonna go to the car place today, and we're also gonna do stuff, but I'm gonna brush my hair and brush my teeth, and then I'll be set and put on deodorant, of course, and go to the bathroom. I might do my makeup. Yeah, that's the thing, so I'm gonna do that. Okay, so I brushed my hair, and I also brushed my teeth, and I put on deodorant, so now I'm gonna put on my makeup. But I gotta go to my room first, because this ain't my room. This is my mom's room.
What was that?
Okay.
Huh?
Nothing. Her boyfriend is playing video games, and that is the game. I don't know what he is playing, but I don't really want to find out. But I'm gonna do some makeup now. I'm gonna show you what I use. It's so cool.
Do you want me to do your makeup?
No.
Why?
Because I wanted to do it myself.
I'm really bored. I really want to do your makeup.
Say hi to my vlog.
Jaden! Okay, well actually I look good right now, so. Okay.
Yes,
I feel so self-absorbed right now.
Mm-hmm.
Are you actually gonna post that? Oh, by the way, this is Adrian.
Adrian, her boyfriend, that was making noises. Or whatever the game was. I don't know what you're playing, but I don't really want to find out, so. That is way too close to your face, lady.
I know.
That's gonna kill
I
your eyes.
do this a lot. My eyes are already killed. Dead, I should say.
Too.
No, I'll keep this light on.
This is my Christmas tree.
My eyes
It's a Charlie Brown.
I got spray in it.
You got spray in it?
I got, yep, I did.
Okay. Bye. Here to interrupt me, I'm going to show you what I'm going to use for my makeup and then do it. So, I'm going to use mascara, the Supersizer CoverGirl, and every one of my friends that has came over here, it's very small, but it gets it doesn't clump up your lashes at all, so that's basically why I use it. And I'm gonna use the angled eyeshadow NB008. I'm not a beauty guru. Elf brush, just this to put on my powder, and that's it basically for brushes and everything. I don't really like giving out shout outs to the people who make this stuff, so because it's not necessary. So I'm gonna go get on my computer, do my makeup, and then I'll be back. Okay, so now I have water, and I am making beef flavored ramen noodles in the microwave because I am too lazy to use the stove. So you can't probably hear me now, but I'm gonna show you what I do to the ramen noodles. And I'm on a wall in a corner of my wall because this is silent over here, and it's probably very loud over there. Alright, so it's ready. Okay, so now I'm in my room, and I've eaten half of them. But, I put up my hair in a ponytail so it's not in my way. But I'm also watching, Tanner Fox's, night vlog thingy, where he's at the skate park. Giant Tower versus Mega Ramp. And, got me some water here. I realized that it was, Tanner Fox's birthday today. So, happy birthday! And, so happy birthday, Tanner Fox. And, yeah. Happy birthday! Yeah, 17. Okay, so I have to brush my teeth again because my toothbrush... Wait, that's my toothbrush. Okay. Because I ate something that stinks. So, I brush my teeth. So I brushed my teeth, and now I'm just doing random stuff. Hold on. Okay, I gotta get on my shoes.
Hey, I'll probably miss the appointment. Well, that was called.
I have this cute red jacket, and I'm gonna wear that. Okay. Okay, so, I'm getting the mail, and I don't really necessarily go, going around on the path, so I'm just gonna go. Why does it feel like spring out here? This is weird weather. I don't understand what our weather is doing. So, got the mail in my hand. Well, not this hand. It's in the other hand. It's one bottom. It's the color. Right.
Thank you so much.
So, I love how this vlog is very long and I haven't even gone anywhere. Oh. Clear day. Okay, so we're
In the sun. It's colder.
We're at Nissan.
Sun.
Nissan. And we're just looking at random cars because we're waiting for the car to be fixed.
Mitsubishi, when I had a Mitsubishi.
What is a Mitsubishi Vitz?
Sports car. They don't sell them anymore. That's only $19,000.
This is the car.
2007. That's a brand new car too.
Don't even look at me. Oh, I thought you were gonna. Ew, no. Not with your chat lips.
Ew, my chap lips.
Yep. Oh, I keep stepping on things.
So we're just walking and walking.
We're just walking.
Yeah. A fly just flew into me. How about that?
That's nice.
Yeah, it's nice.
Those look cheaper.
We're not gonna buy a new car. We're just fixing the other car, and we're just walking. But that we're doing Fanta. I like the new bottle.
Those kind of vans scare me with no windows.
Yeah, that used to be illegal. I don't know what happened to that law.
Well, how do they see out the back window?
I didn't really clue. Why would you even want to buy a
That's the car I looked at too, the Altima. Remember?
Oh, that is cool. That one right there?
Yeah, that's
Is that the one you were looking at?
Yeah.
She was looking at this one, but we never got it. We got a Kia Optima.
That black car?
Oh, that is pretty. That's kind of...
Yeah, this is the
I like that car too. I like the black. Keep off France. The what are bad? What?
You would think they would,
There's no prices on these. The ones that are older,
I like this blue.
there's no prices.
I like this car.
It kind of reminds me of Marsha's. Yeah, Marsha's car. Kind of. Oh wow. That's
There's quite
nice.
a few cracks on the Honda. Right.
It's nice. Horrible. Her first car accident was horrible. Where were you? What car was it?
Chevette.
Oh, I don't know what that type of car is. A Chevette. Why is there a unit? Why is Ew. Oh, this is someone's car. That's why it's all dirty. And I think it's someone's car.
It saves gas. Yeah. Oh, you like the blue one?
Ooh, I like that blue one too. I was listening to my music, but it turned off because the Wi-Fi. We went far away from the Wi-Fi. I like that one. I like this one. You guys, I like this one. Clickbait. Whatever car I like the most. I'm gonna take it like a screenshot of it and be like,
Talking to yourself.
talking to the vlog. Vlog. It's called a vlog when you take a video of yourself and you're vlogging and walking around. It's called a vlog. Peace. Are you gonna give me bunny ears?
Who do you vlog to?
I don't know. People who, mostly Michaela, because she watches every one of my videos. So, are we going in?
No, we're just standing by the door.
Okay. So, I'm gonna fall on Fallon. Fall on Fallon? Wow, okay. Okay, so see you guys if the car is done and stuff like that. Bye.
I'm going to make somebody a winner right now. Caller 25 at 404-741-0985. We got a family 4-pack of tickets to Disney's The Little Mermaid at the Fox Theater. It's the stage show. You
Okay, so I gotta go. Because my phone's at 1%, so I'll see you at home.
You can be there.
Bye. Hey guys, I'm home and I started to get sick. I don't know what I have, but I just have a headache and I'm dizzy. It's probably for not eating anything all day except ramen noodles and a milkshake. And it's 7 o'clock. And yeah, and after my sister gets picked up by her boyfriend, Adrian, as you saw earlier, I'm gonna hop in the shower. First, I'm gonna take off my makeup. That's smart. Take off my makeup and then I'm gonna hop in the shower and then see what plans see what plans, or see if I'm gonna do anything. Not like going out anywhere, but like going to bed or just eating and then going to bed. So, yeah, bye. So, I don't know if you can hear me, but I'm gonna take off my makeup and then hop in the bath and then, Okay guys, so I am done with my bath, and yes, I know my face is really, really red and there's like spots everywhere and grossness, and also I'm ugly. But I'm just really tired. I feel like a little bit better after my bath, and also I got some medicine. But anyways, I'm probably gonna, I don't know what I'm doing. Just gonna watch some YouTube videos. I may go to bed, but I don't know. I don't know what this is. Just says there. But I bite my lips all the time, so that's probably what it is. But anyways, goodbye.